This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get your tax documents from TurboTax. Whether you're preparing for an audit, need records for personal reasons, or simply want to ensure your financial history is in order, accessing your tax documents from TurboTax is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to start by going to the TurboTax sign-in page. If you don't have the link handy, a quick search in your preferred web browser should lead you there. Once you're on the page, it's time to enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your username or password, don't worry, there are options to recover them right on the same page. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be back on track in no time. After successfully logging in, you may be greeted with a welcome screen. If that's the case, look towards the left side of your screen and click on Tax Home in the menu. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can access all the necessary features and information related to your TurboTax account. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This is where all your past tax information is stored. It might take a moment to locate, so be sure to scroll all the way down if needed. Once you find it, you'll need to expand the section. Look for the words Show or a down arrow icon and click on it. This will reveal more options beneath it. You will see a list of tax years. Select the specific tax year you want to view. This is particularly useful if you're looking for documents from a specific time frame, whether it's last year's return for a loan application or perhaps something older for your records. Once you've selected the year, you'll see a link labeled Download/Print Return PDF. Click on this link and the document will start downloading to your device. Saving it as a PDF is convenient for both printing and digital storage. You can choose a location on your device where you'll easily find it later, like a dedicated tax folder. This document will include all the information you submitted to the IRS for that year, so keep it secure. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step way to access and download your tax documents from TurboTax. With these instructions, you'll be able to quickly retrieve any past tax returns you need. Remember, keeping your tax documents organized is important not only for your peace of mind, but also for any financial planning you might be doing. If you have any further questions, TurboTax's support page is a great resource, or you can reach out to their customer service for more personalized assistance. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.